In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email campaigns with ActiveCampaign. If you're looking to reach out to your audience effectively and efficiently, then this is the guide for you. We'll be breaking it down in a simple, step-by-step way so that you can start sending out your email campaigns in no time. First, we'll begin by navigating to the main dashboard of ActiveCampaign. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you're going to click on the option labeled Email. This will open up a new array of choices, and from here, you need to select Campaigns. This is where the magic happens, a central hub for all your email campaigning needs. On selecting Campaigns, you'll be taken to a page displaying a list of email campaigns that you've previously created. If you haven't started any campaigns yet, this page might be empty, but don't worry. It's the perfect spot to get organized once you begin. For those who have already set the ball rolling, you'll see all your campaigns neatly listed here. To proceed with sending an email campaign, find the campaign you want to send from the list and click on it. This action will open up the details of your chosen campaign. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see the Send Now button. If everything is set up correctly, this button will be clickable, allowing you to send your email campaign right away. Sometimes, though, you might find that the Send Now button is grayed out. When this happens, ActiveCampaign provides you with helpful notes on what you need to adjust or complete before you can send it. This might involve reviewing the content, ensuring all your contacts are properly selected, or maybe tweaking some settings. By following these prompts, you can quickly resolve the issue and be on your way to sending your campaign. Before you go ahead and send out the campaign to all your recipients, there's a great feature that ActiveCampaign offers: sending a test preview. This option allows you to send a draft of your email to yourself. It's a fantastic way to catch any last-minute errors and see exactly how your audience will view the email. And there you have it. Once you've done any necessary edits and are satisfied with the test preview, you're ready to send your campaign with confidence. Sending out an email campaign doesn't have to be daunting when you know the steps and take the time to ensure each one is followed carefully. That wraps up this guide on sending email campaigns with ActiveCampaign. I hope you found this walkthrough both clear and helpful. By following these steps, you should feel more prepared to tackle email marketing and reach out to your audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy campaigning.